Hello, dear all. Welcome to the MSK Mentor. This is your instructor, Muhammad Suhail. Today I am very happy and satisfied that I have created the channel. For the purpose of creating these channels, I will teach you English, that how to learn English. IT means informational technology, and also sharing motivational speeches. I will try my best to teach you English in Urdu and also Pashto. I will try my level best to teach you English in easy way, and hoping that you people will gain a lot of knowledge from my videos. In addition, I will make sure to deliver the whole knowledge that I have. Please subscribe my channels and also like the videos and share with your friends. Thank you to all of you.